Your ending is still being written. We all have free will. We all can change the outcome of this life at any given moment. Of course, the main soul contracts, of course, the main soul lessons are going to be learned throughout this lifetime, right? It's going to be learned, it's going to be processed. However, everything else, all small little details, it is still unwritten. You can change anything you want to change. It's just, do you want to be uncomfortable with that change? Do you want to be uncomfortable? Do you want to do the work? Do you want to literally do a 180 switch and go through the hard times? Because that is exactly what is going on right now in the universe. That is exactly what's going on. And it's not only at a global level or a government level, it's at an individual personal level as well. And people are like, oh, this is changing. Oh, that is changing. Because honestly, right now, everything really isn't working. It's not working for everyone. And the only way to figure out what works and what doesn't work is to try other things, to do other things. And that allows change. That allows people to form opinions and think a little bit deeper. Because if everything stays the same, and the quote for today is the insanity quote. If you want something to be different, but you are doing the same thing, I am totally paraphrasing. I'm totally wrecking this. I had to look it up. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Guys, we need different results. It's not working. And people are like, oh, if it's not broke, don't fix it. But it is broken. It is broken. It doesn't work for us now. Maybe it worked for us 50 years ago, but it's not working for us anymore. Maybe it worked for you 4 years ago, but it's not working for you anymore. It's not working. The only way to figure out what does work, either way, you need to change. Moving forward, it's never too late. It's never too late to create a life you love. It's never too late. You can create a life you love right this second. And again, people are freaking out because they are looking at small specifics. People, look at the bigger picture. What do we need? As humanity, what do we need? The only way to really grow is for change to exist, for change to happen. All of us on a human species level cannot ascend unless there is change. If we're going in this routine 24/7 over and over and over again, there is no growth there. Growth and change only happens in uncomfortable situations because you're pushing yourself. You're pushing yourself to the brim, right? It needs to happen. Everything needs to fall in order to get rebuilt. And something might be put into place because they think that this is the better change. But really, it's a stepping stone for what needs to be put in place. We are getting there. We are understanding. We are literally just reworking what our forefathers and the people before us tried to do. There's been so many ascension timelines on this planet, and every one of them failed. Every single one of them failed. Either way, went off on a tangent, but either way, your ending is still unwritten. You have the time to change it. If your day-to-day life is not working for you anymore, freaking change it. You have the power to do so. And if you say, oh, Chloe, it's hard, I can't do that right now, babe, that is an excuse. This is your daily message for today. I am not one of those spiritual advisors that says, oh, everything is daisies and love. No, I am blunt and to the core and letting you know that it's not freaking easy. It's really hard. It's really hard. But understanding the bigger picture and why we are here, that is my main message. That is why I do what I do, because I want you to understand the bigger picture. It's not all about you. It's not all about you. And you know deep down inside it's not all about you. You know this. I'm just bringing it to your prefrontal lobe. I'm CG from the Galactic Soul. This was your daily message for today. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. If you want to get more daily messages like this to kind of put you into shape, definitely subscribe and follow along. I also do other readings as well during the whole entire month. But I am here for you, and remember to always be yourself.